Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Interior Design with Rae. So today I'm going to show you this 3-room HDB apartment, okay, in Potong Pasir. The carpentry works have been all completed. The place has been all cleaned up, just waiting for the homeowner to move in. Okay, so she has all most of the furniture in already. Okay, so let's go in and take a look now. Okay, so this unit is on the ground floor. So for older HDB apartment, right, the ground floor unit usually will have a few steps going up to the unit itself. Okay, so once you step into the unit, okay, I've created a balcony with a storage for shoes. This is a planter latch where the pot will be at the bottom, okay, and then the trunk will insert through here, and then the plant itself, the leaves, will be on top here. Okay, and over here there is a sliding door. Okay, these are 2 panels sliding and then 1 panel fixed. Okay, so this helps to prevent the cold air from the aircon from escaping into the balcony. So once you step into this area, okay, this is a dining area. Used to be a living, but I've converted this into a dining area. Right, the dining table is going to be placed like that with 4 chairs around it, and this is a full height storage. Right, it goes all the way up to the ceiling. Okay, all full height. And once you step further in, this is a pantry area where my client will do her baking. Right, she has this interest in baking, so I managed to propose a huge island unit in the middle. Okay, this island unit stores the wine fridge or beverage mini fridge, and at the back you can still put a 2 high chair, okay, so she can entertain her friends while doing the baking. There is a built-in oven here, right, a fridge especially for her baking needs. Okay, so this is a pantry area where she's going to have a water filtration device over here. Right, there's a water point at the bottom. Remember, right, you need a water point for the water filtration. Okay, so a lot of storage for her as well. Okay, one thing to take note of, when you have a cabinet this deep, right, this cabinet is about 450 mm deep, and for this full height cabinet is actually 600. Okay, so 600 and 450, there's a difference of about 150. So this 150 is over here. Okay, the thickness or the depth difference. So how to connect these two? Okay, so usually what I'll do is I will curve this corner edge. Okay, so the flow of the cabinet from the deeper one to the shallower one, right, will be more seamless. If you look at the top, it's curved, right, all the way down, right, to the floor. So on the opposite side of this pantry cabinet is a feature wall that shines out with LED light at the side. Okay, so that will help to brighten up the pantry area. Right, of course there will be 2 pendant lamps to shine onto the island unit. And so you see this, right, this is a sliding door, slides open and into the kitchen. So I have also segregated the wet kitchen away from the pantry area. Okay, reason is because same reason, okay, you can prevent the cold air from escaping out into the yard area. So this sliding door is a full height sliding door with a fluted glass, right, and there's also a storage here. Okay, ample storage, but all these are concealed storage that will be very less obvious when the door is closed. Right, from this view you can see, right, it's just flush everything, and so once you open the door, there'll be wall mount cabinet here, bottom. Same for both sides. Okay, these are big format tiles. Okay, compact plus top, huge drawers, of course some tray, right, for additional tabletop space. There's also a separate fridge for the kitchen use. Okay, just to mention, if you have an induction hob and a gas hob, okay, what is the distance between them? Okay, so that when you are doing your cooking, right, the pots and pans, they don't hit each other. Okay, usually you will need to have at least 4 inches here, or 100 mm, and in between the induction hob and the gas hob is also about 4 inches. Okay, so try to centralize everything with the hood. Okay, right, left and right, then of course storage all at the bottom. Okay, for this older unit, right, is a cylinder gas, so this compartment is for a cylinder gas. So what I've done is to segregate the wet kitchen from the service yard. The service yard used to start from this step down, okay, but I've enlarged it to after the rubbish chute. Okay, so this one used to be part of the kitchen, but I've just enlarged the service yard in a little bit more. And I've also done this sliding door. See, same reason, just to prevent the cold air from escaping. If this sliding door is open, okay, if this is open, then you can close that and your kitchen will be cool as well. Okay, let's take a look at the living area. So at the living area, just a simple ceiling fan, no false ceiling. It's a track light. Okay, wall mount TV, no cabling. It's all hidden behind the wall. And what you see here is a nice feature, right? But this nice feature has got 2 things inside there. One is a study table. Okay. Okay, this is the pocket door type study table. Okay, where you can just slide in. Okay, there's a table latch, so my client will be able to push her chair in and just close the doors. Okay, so there's some shelving on top, right, and some storage here as well. Lots of storage. There's a suspended TV console. Okay, so the design is minimalist, clean, non-messy. Okay, and the color, they are quite muted. This is the laminate from TAK. Okay, and the other item will be the entrance to the master bedroom. Okay, so this is a flush door. Okay, so let's go into the master bedroom. So at the master bedroom, the color scheme is the same as the living area. Okay, using back the same laminate with a bit of that wood laminate print just on the handle. Okay, and this is a L-shaped wardrobe with a headboard. Okay, so my client has a very thick mattress. Okay, so when you design a headboard, you just have to make sure that you take into consideration the thickness of the mattress. So there's a top light there. Okay, 2 simple side table. Okay, so this side table, there's something that I want you to see is there is this upturn here that prevent things from dropping down. Okay, so this is some small detail that you can consider having. Below the bed frame, storage. Okay, so lots of storage. There are 2 drawers here, and then there are also 2 more drawers here. Okay, and facing the bed will be a low storage also. Okay, and TV will be placed on the tabletop. Okay, there are power points below for the TV. Okay, so let's go into the master bathroom. So master bathroom, I did some reconfiguration of the space to fit in a vanity, right? So a vanity cabinet here with the mirror storage, and I propose a 45-degree angular shower area. Okay, so I also managed to place a shampoo niche at the back here, right? So it's at an angle 45 degree. There were a lot of pipes here, so all the pipes were boxed up. Okay, quite straightforward bathroom. It's just some changes in the layout of the shower and to add on a vanity cabinet. This is the original WC location that you can't change. Okay, so you got to work around the WC. So I hope today you have learned something from this walkthrough. Stay tuned for the last video, that is the home tour of this entire place. I'm just waiting for my client to get all her furniture ready, and then I'll do the recording. Okay, so I hope you continue watching my other videos, and if you haven't subscribed, please remember to subscribe and like and share all my videos. So thank you so much, and see you soon.